previously we have learned individual problems on current ratio as well as quick ratio. Basically, in examination, they will ask both current ratio and quick ratio for 6 mark. So let us solve how to calculate from a single information current ratio as well as quick or liquid ratio. Okay, so here they have given that calculate current ratio and quick ratio from the following information. They have given inventories, trade receivable, advance tax, cash and cash equivalents, trade payables, and short-term borrowings. So first, let us find the current ratio. Now, what is the formula of current ratio? It is current assets divided by current liabilities. Now, what are the current assets? Let us see in the information. So, inventory, also known as stock, is a current asset. Trade receivable is a current asset. Advance tax is also a current asset. Cash and cash equivalent is a current asset. Trade payable is current liability. And short-term borrowing are also current liabilities. So, first, for current asset, you have to write all the current assets. So, here all the current assets are inventories plus trade receivable plus advance tax plus cash and cash equivalent. Then what are our current liabilities? Current liabilities are trade payables and short-term borrowings. Trade payable plus short-term borrowing. Now let us record the amount. So first the value of inventory is 50,000. So 50,000 plus trade receivable is 50,000. Then advance tax is 4,000 plus 4,000 plus cash and cash equivalent is 30,000. So plus 30,000 divided by trade payable is 1 lakh plus short-term borrowings is 4,000. Now 50,000 plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 30,000 is 1 lakh 34,000. 1 lakh plus 4,000 is 1 lakh 4,000. So what will be the value? It will be 1.29, and we have said that in liquidity ratio we have to write is to 1 after getting the answer because 1 represents the liquidity. So we have calculated the current ratio. Now let us calculate the quick ratio. Now what is the formula of quick ratio? Quick ratio is also called as liquid ratio. Don't get confused in the examination. So formula will be quick assets divided by current liabilities. So we have found what is current liabilities here. Now we have to find the quick asset. So now what is the formula of quick asset? We have learned quick asset is equals to current assets minus closing stock minus prepaid expenses. Now what is the value of current asset here? We have found, right? So these all are the current assets. So value will be 1,34,000. 1,34,000 minus what is the closing stock? See in the question, they have said inventories. Inventories other name is stock. So the stock value will be 50,000 minus prepaid expenses. See in the question any prepaid expenses. They have not given anything, but they have given advance tax. So advance tax means they have paid before only. So that is a prepaid expense. So advance tax here is a prepaid expense, that is 4,000. So minus 4,000. So 1,34,000 minus 50,000 minus 4,000 will give you 80,000. So this is the quick asset value. So what is the formula? Quick asset divided by current liability. So let us substitute in the formula. So quick asset value is 80,000, whereas current liabilities value is 1,04,000. So 1,04,000. So 80,000 divided by 1,04,000 is 0.77. Now as I said, we have to write is to 1 for liquidity ratio because this shows the liquidity of a firm. Current ratio answer will be 1.29:1, whereas our quick or liquid ratio answer will be 0.77:1. So this type of question is normally asked in the final examination.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates.